Welcome to EJ Bits. This is my review of two Tribit earphones. So let's start with the XSport Fly. This is the black version, and these are the contents of the box. And this one is the Xfree color. Again, the contents of the box. Let's unbox the first one. So the XSport Fly is a wireless headphone offered by Tribit, and if you want to buy from their shop, links in the description. It comes with a hard shell carrying case. It's really good. The price of this item is less than 700 pesos, and it's very nice to see that they have a hard carrying case for it. So when you open the case, you get your charger, you get the earphones, and some extra earplugs for different size ears. And this is the actual earphone. It's wireless, but there's a wire, but it's still wireless. And don't forget to charge it. It's a micro USB cable, it's not a USB cable. So my final thoughts on this product is the sound is 9, the bass is 9, and overall rating is 9. So the bass of this one is better than your Apple wired earphones, and it's louder than your AirPods. So those are my thoughts for this product. Let's move on to the Xfree color. It doesn't have a hard shell case. Instead, it has this soft feel material pouch for it, and again, micro USB cable. And the price of this one is similar to the one a while ago. It's less than 700 pesos. And this color I got here is the black and red. So there you go. My ratings for this product: the volume is 10. It's louder than the first one. The bass is 8.5. It got washed out by the mids and highs. And the overall rating for this one is an 8.5. So I prefer both of these. So this one, I prefer this one for listening and workout because it doesn't really roll off your ears. And for this one, I prefer this one for the casual listeners. And anyone, basically, if you want this product, just buy in the link in the description. There's a voucher there, so use the voucher. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.